Hi viewers, welcome to Mandramrudam. Today we are going to see an interesting shloka or a shostra and also its meaning. We're going to see Linkashtakam. In fact, there is no solid evidence to give credit on who really composed this beautiful Linkashtakam. However, many believe that it was written by the great Adi Shankara, considering his poetic way of writing the Ashtagams, and also looking at the Palastuti that matches with that of Shiva Panchakshara Shostra, which we know it is, which we know it is composed by Adi Shankara. Many believe that this Ashtakam is much more older. They in fact give credit to the Mahamuni Agastya as well. Having said that, we would go more in detail into the importance of this Shostra. Worshipping a god can be done as a rupa, a visible form, or arupa, or invisible form. Along with this, the great god Shiva is also known to be worshipped as Arupa Rupi, which means a form with no form, and that is Shivalinga. Worshipping the Linga brings the devotee much closer to God Shiva, and it is often prescribed by Shivaganams, Puranams, and many other holy scriptures, as this form is greater to the usual Murti form of worshipping. Worshipping Lingam was known to be one of the ancient practices in Hinduism. Such Linga worship can be done in many ways, like Abhishekams, the rituals which we perform, or even by praising with holy chants, Shostras, and Ashtakas. One such is Lingashtaka. We'll see more about it in detail. First, we will start with the Ashtaka, followed by its meaning, then we would move on to other stanzas as well. The first one goes Brahma Murari Surarchita Lingam Nirmala Bhashita Shobhita Lingam Janmada Dukkha Vinasaka Lingam Tat Pranamami Sadha Shiva Lingam. I bow before the Lingam, which is the eternal Shiva, which is worshipped by Brahma, Vishnu, and the other Devas, which is pure and which destroys sorrows of birth. Deva Muni Pravarachita Lingam Kamadahana Karuna Karalingam Ravana Dharpa Vinashaka Lingam Tat Pranamami Sadha Shivalingam. I bow before the Lingam, which is eternal Shiva, which is worshipped by great sages and devas, which destroyed the god of love, which showers mercy, which destroyed the pride of Ravana. Sarva Sugandhi Sulebita Lingam Buddhi Vivartana Karana Lingam Siddha Sura Sura Vandita Lingam Tat Pranamami Sadha Shivalingam. I bow before the Lingam, which is the eternal Shiva, which is anointed by perfumes, which leads to the growth of wisdom, which is worshipped by sages, devas, and asuras. Kanaka Mahamani Bhushita Lingam Panipati Veshtita Shobhita Lingam Daksha Suyagnya Vinashana Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam. I bow before the Linga, which is the eternal Shiva, which is decorated by gold and great jewels, shines with the snake being with it, and which destroyed the yajna of Daksha. Kunkuma Chantana Lepita Lingam Pankachahara Shushobita Lingam Sanchita Papa Vinashana Lingam Tat Pranamami Sadha Shivalingam. I bow before the Lingam, which is the eternal Shiva, which is adorned by sandal paste and saffron, which wears the garland of lotus flowers, which destroy all the accumulated sins of people. Devaganachita Sevita Lingam Bhavayar Bhakti Birevacha Lingam Dinakara Koti Prabhakara Lingam Tat Pranamami Sadha Shivalingam. I bow before the Shivalinga, the lingam that is worshipped by Devaganas, The lingam that is worshipped with a genuine feeler, a great devotion, a complete dedication to the god. The lingam whose splendor is like that of a million suns. Ashtadalo pariveshtita lingam sarvasamudbhavakarana lingam ashtadaridra vinasana lingam tat pranamami sada shivalingam. I bow before the Shivalingam, the lingam that resides on the 8 petals, the lingam that was the cause of the creation, the entire creation rather, the lingam that can destroy the 8 aspects of poverty. Sura Guru Suravara Pujita Lingam Suravana Pushpa Sadachita Lingam Parat Param Paramatmaka Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam. I bow before the Shivalinga, the lingam that is worshipped by Guru of the Asuras and the Devas, which is Brihaspati and Shukra, the lingam that is worshipped by the flowers from the celestial gardens of the god, the lingam that is always supreme and divine of all. Lingastagam midam punyam yappate shiva sannidhau shivaloga mavapnoti shivena sahamodate. The one who recites this Lingashtakam in the abode of God Shiva will attain Shivaloka and enjoys the compassion of the great god Shiva. Please do recite this shloka at your home. Do get all the benefits. We will see you next time in the shloka series. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to Mandramritam.